Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It practically guys could be almost any BMW model. If you have a problem where the front disc rotor is stuck, the bolt for that disc is stuck guys, you cannot remove it. You can actually even break it, snap it into or strip it. Stay with us, we'll explain a trick how to avoid that. Every time you will be able to easily remove those things, even though you're required to replace them every time you remove them guys. We'll explain how to safely do that. That way you don't break it into, you don't strip it, and you don't spend hours drilling that thing out and damaging the hub as well. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So we'll be demonstrating here on an X3, X4 platform BMW. They're built on the same platform, but most of the BMWs will use exactly that design. We're talking about that bolt right here that will be holding the disc rotor, and if that bolt guys, you just try to remove it, often you will snap it because they will have serious amount of rust contamination. Even though we live in a super dry climate here where we see absolutely almost no snow and rain is very limited, you can see it still has rust. Imagine otherwise how bad it could be. And we ourselves in the past used to snap those every time, so stay with us and we'll explain the trick how to do it now. So in our case it's a 6mm, you can see right here now, guys, right here you can see sometimes if you try to remove them they can strip, so they can be really corroded because they're exposed to a lot of heat, cooling down heat, moisture, brakes goes through everything, build up brake dust and all kind of things. You can see all the bolts that we remove, they have a tremendous amount of rust, and we live in a very dry state, in a state that has almost zero snow as well guys, but you will still have rust in this bolt. So you get your Allen wrench, okay, you get a hammer and you're going to tap on it a few times really hard, okay. What's that going to do? That's going to break the rust loose. If it doesn't go easy after that, you need to tap on it more. Let's check it out now. We should have done that before. Okay, we removed the brake pads, but ours came loose. Let us show you now on the inside. We removed the bolt. This bolt is supposed to be replaced every time. Check out the amount of rust that we had here, right? It's tremendous guys, and most people, okay, will screw them up or they will snap and you have a really hard time removing it later. So now you're practically ready to remove the disc rotor. You can see just like that, piece of cake. So that's how you guys do it. This bolt is required to be replaced every single time you remove it. So if you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price and quick shipping. Check it out. If you guys have any more questions on a BMW or any other car, just leave a comment below in the comment section under the video. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.